Losing is precisely the reason why people will leave a relationship that is working for one that has no promise of working. They will marry someone else in the false sense of believing that in marrying someone else they are winning. People will value what they believe to be functional for them, even if the choice is not truly productive. So a lot of times people oftentimes leave these relationships that are working. It may be slow working, it may be, boring working, but they will leave something that is working for something that has no promise of working. But it's all based upon your perception of you believing that you are worthy enough to make that choice, right? To make that risk, to take that risk, and that the person you get with will be, sort of like the reward for you taking that risk.